Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an origami sliding snake. First, gather your materials. You will need 1 square sheet of paper, ideally 6 inches by 6 inches or 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. Thinner paper works best for crisp folds. Make sure your workspace is clear and well lit to help you achieve precise results throughout the folding process. Now, let's create the foundational creases. Start by folding your square paper in half diagonally from corner to corner and then unfold it. Repeat this for the other diagonal. Next, fold the paper in half horizontally and then vertically, unfolding after each. You should now have a clear grid of 8 creases across your paper, forming the base for our snake. With your base creases established, we will now form the body segments. Collapse the paper along the existing creases to create a square base. Then, take each of the 4 corners and fold them inward towards the center line, creating a kite shape on each side. Repeat this process on the reverse side. These folds begin to define the individual segments of your sliding snake. Finally, let's assemble and refine your sliding snake. Carefully interlock the folded segments, one into another, to create the continuous body and the unique sliding mechanism. Once connected, gently pull and push the ends to test the snake's movement. Adjust any creases as needed to ensure a smooth and fluid motion. You have now completed your very own origami sliding snake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.